12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos by Jordan B. Peterson offers practical advice for navigating life. Here is a brief summary of the 12 rules presented in the book. 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. Maintain good posture and present yourself confidently to establish resilience and face challenges. 2. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Prioritize self-care and personal responsibility, extending the same care to yourself that you would offer to others. 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive individuals who genuinely care about your well-being. 4. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Focus on personal growth by measuring your progress against your past self, rather than constantly comparing yourself to others. 5. Do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. Foster, discipline and guide children with love, ensuring they develop into responsible and respectful individuals. 6. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Address and improve your personal life and responsibilities before attempting to solve larger societal issues. 7. Pursue what is meaningful. Seek meaningful goals and values rather than opting for what is convenient or expedient in the short term. 8. Tell the truth, or, at least, don't lie. Uphold honesty and integrity in your words and actions to build trust and maintain strong relationships. 9. Assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't.